So we've come to the best question of them all. Why do you need a special holster for a suppressed pistol?
So the reason that you need a special holster is really, I mean, you could put your handgun in any holster. You could just cut a hole out the front of it and stick the silencer through. But then you have to draw the handgun all the way out and then draw the silencer all the way out as well. So you end up with a minimum 12-inch draw length, which is just not going to work for a lot of people.
Yeah, I guess that's kind of the
So
fundamental answer is most holsters don't allow you to have a suppressor on it because they're molded to the frame of the gun. And usually the blocking, which is basically like the chute that the holster has in there, just doesn't allow you to have a suppressor on the end of it, let alone there's not a hole through the bottom of it.
but even if you have the blocking set up correctly and you have a hole through it, like, is
The
it
draw.
possible to do so? Yes, but it looks hilarious. And we'll
Yeah.
probably splice in a clip of the Joker drawing out that gigantic revolver because
Yeah.
that's basically what it looks
Out of his
like.
pants. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So
Yeah.
what we've done is we've made a holster that locks onto the light, and you'll get into this here in a little bit, but it locks onto the light. So really, the draw length is only 2 or 3 inches, but you're able to have the holster hanging out because the holster is actually an open top. So
Mhm.
the length of the silencer doesn't matter. You can use no silencer, a big silencer, little silencer, and the draw length is the same every time.